Hello aspirants, I am Dr. Anamika Singh, Director, Sehgal Institute of Management and Computer Application. Let me take you to the beautiful virtual journey of an institute which has magnificent and majestic repute in the field of business administration and computer application. Why I am taking you to the virtual journey? Because amidst this pandemic, you should choose the best option even when you cannot visit physically and see the pristine and serene surrounding, enticing infrastructure, well-learned and experienced faculty, and amazingly supportive non-teaching staff. Dear aspirants, every cloud has a silver lining, and so we are giving you the option here to choose the best. SIMCA, that is Sehgal Institute of Management and Computer Application, was established in 2004. Thus carries glorious past and has recently been accredited with A grade by NAAC. This proves its intermittent presence. And this institute is under the educational conglomerate STS, which is known for its strong foundation. We all know strong building needs deep foundation and strong foundation. And so the solution is here. Through this video, our various departments will take you to the voyage of our supremely splendid SIMCA with stalwarts of SIMCA. So welcome to this beautiful voyage. Thank you.
MBA program at SIMCA enables students to both master skills through its rigorous curriculum and build portfolio of experience through multiple internships and real-world learning opportunities that prepare them to excel. Highlights of this program is a choice-based credit system, guest lecture by eminent personalities from industry, workshops and seminars, live projects and case studies from eminent sources like Harvard Business School. Curriculum is constantly upgraded to keep abreast with the changing industry demand. Development of analytical and quantitative approach amongst our students to increase problem-solving qualities in the business environment.
Hello friends, my name is Dr. Sachin Wankhede. I am Associate Professor and Placement Convener at Sehgal Institute of Management and Computer Application. Friends, the training and placement cell of SIMCA is very proactive and supportive to industry's objectives and requirements. We focus on establishing industry-institute interface, resulting in excellent placement scenario and smooth transition of students from academic to professional life. Requisite emphasis is given on soft skill development, complementing the regular academic programs. We provide guidance through student training programs, STP, aptitude test, group discussions, various industry and alumni talks, seminars, workshops, and various student training programs in order to meet their career goals. Thank you.
I am Yogesh Sharma, working in our Sehgal Institute of Management and Computer Application since last 8 years. According to me, whenever SIMCA is concerned, it gives me a strength of success, ideal identification, and makes me a meticulous, competitive, and applicable for the betterment of the organization. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Professor Smita Saman, Faculty of MCA Department of SIMCA. Along with the extensive learning, SIMCA facilitates national and international level cultural events every week. The students get platform to showcase their talent by participating in various cultural and technical events. They are also given opportunities to manage these events, which helps them to enhance their management skills. The grand flagship event, Sehgal Karanda, witnesses various cultural activities like singing, dancing, stage play, and fashion show. Apart from this, SIMCA contributes to the society in terms of corporate social responsibilities, that is CSR, through various activities like tree plantation, blood donation, donation to disabled students, and needy people.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Poonam Sawant, Faculty, MCA Department of SIMCA. SIMCA creates a beautiful environment which is conducive for learning. It has a dedicated team of highly motivated and experienced teachers, each outstanding in his or her area of specialization. Along with this, Simca ensures the highest quality of resources and infrastructure which ultimately focus on academic excellence as well as versatility in approach for ever-increasing needs of the students, which is indeed helping them in today's competitive world. I am proud to say that Simca has given me the opportunity to develop and build each and every individual into a capable and responsible IT professional. I would sincerely like to thank Simca for its tremendous support and integrated work shown towards overall grooming of the students. And no need to overtly worry about this COVID-19 pandemic, as this is being a temporary phenomenon and can never stop you from achieving your goals. Simca is there to take you on the path of your achievements. So come and be the part of Simca, which is equal to the surety of success. Take care, stay home, stay safe.
Fantastic infrastructure, industry-oriented faculty, a dynamic alumni association coupled with tailor-stitched mentorship programs for each and every student across MBA and MCA are some of the things which you get at Simca. The most important thing when it comes to students at a professional course for be it MBA or MCA is the exposure they get from the industry. It should not just be limited to academics or the university curriculum, and the industry-oriented teaching style, teaching methodology ensures a holistic development of the students at Simca.
Hey guys, this is Divya Patel and I have been part of Simca since 2016. I have spent 3 beautiful years in Simca, and by doing MCA, they were beautiful just because of all the facilities Simca provides, and also the teaching staff and the placement department which helps in setting the students' career. Teachers does an excellent job by teaching the students the way they teach, and also they never say no to the questions, and they help us to bring out the best in us which would help us to represent in the industry. Also the placement department who sets all the campus drives in the Simca, and I have been through such one campus drive and I got selected in 2018 by Western Union, an MNC company which is located in Yerwada. And yes, now I am happy to be part of Western Union. So all the thanks to my coordinator and also all the teachers who helped and guided me to bring my career up. And also don't forget to work hard. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Keval Bagwe. I was in batch 2015-18. I had really good experience those time. We received absolutely good teaching and guidance from all the friendly teaching staff. Apart from the curriculum, we used to participate in many competitive activities, some of which were Avishkar from Pune University, All India Hackathon which was held in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and later on I got placement in Accenture.
There is a saying, don't run behind the grades but run behind the knowledge. I also did the same. Myself, Avinav Kumar Singh from Sinhagad Institute of Management and Computer Application. I did my MBA in marketing from Simca in 2014 and 16. A place which transformed my life totally and helped me evolve myself through their practical and friendly approach, distinguished faculties and their supportive nature. Faculties who is always firm to help you in every single way and help you to develop your way totally differently. Not just theoretically, but Simca provide you to learn things practically and shows things for you to make things easier to understand and adopt. Not just that, Simca provide you various opportunities to showcase your talent, and by conducting many fests and competitions and concerts like Karandak, and they even have industrial visits, educational seminars, and bring various people from the various organizations to help you understand the current trends and help you in improving your skills in every possible way. If you are looking to transform yourself and gain a vast pool of knowledge, then Simca is the place which will help you to achieve your dream and fly high. I wish you all the best. Thank you.